Are you looking for an easy way to capture your screen to create more meaningful training videos or tutorials? What about just an easier way to edit videos in general? Well, look no further. I've got you covered today on Productivity Lab. What's going on, everybody? My name is Mitchell, and here at the Tech Learning Network, we teach tech. We help you build digital projects, create digital designs, and become more productive using technology. And today, I am here to give you a review/tutorial on the all-new Camtasia 2022, the brand new software. But before I jump into things and get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. All right, back to Camtasia. What is it? Well, Camtasia is an incredibly simple but an incredibly intuitive screen recorder / video editing platform that just makes creating professional videos and animations about as easy as any old word processor. And it especially shines when creating things like training videos, tutorials, on-screen walkthroughs, or demos, thanks to its annotation capabilities and cursor animation capabilities. Now, it's no secret that here at the Tech Learning Network, we do a great deal of tutorials and on-screen demos. So using the Camtasia 2022 software, I'm gonna create sort of a mock demo, highlight some of the features, and show you how you can be using Camtasia for yourself or for your business. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you how to download the Camtasia software. So you wanna open up your browser, you wanna head on over to techsmith.com. Those are the good folks who make the Camtasia software. You wanna head over to products, and you just wanna select Camtasia, and now you'll be prompted to either start a free trial or buy the software outright. Now, I've already got Camtasia downloaded, so I'm just gonna open up the software myself. I'm gonna show you a little bit around it, just give you a feel for the system, and we're gonna work together to create this mock demo of just a super basic skill so you could see how I'd go about using Camtasia to actually edit my demo. So we're gonna head on over to our Launchpad. We're gonna open Camtasia right up. And as soon as you open Camtasia, this is what you're prompted with. This is your home screen. You have the ability to just start a new blank project, and that kind of launches you into this sort of like basic video editing platform. It looks fairly similar to what you might expect from like Final Cut, iMovie, Adobe Premiere. If you're not new to the world of video editing, this probably looks fairly familiar to you. And your other options, of course, are your new from template, your ability to open previous projects, or to start a new recording. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start a brand new screencast recording. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the settings, and we're gonna just do a mock demo trying to teach someone how they would go about opening a blank new Google Doc document, right? So we'll clear out of this project. I'm gonna select new recording. You can see that I'm prompted with this TechSmith Camtasia Recorder pop-up menu. I'm able to adjust my FPS, that's frames per second. I wanna keep that at 30. You wanna make sure that you're giving Camtasia the ability to access your webcam and your screencast. You can actually toggle on and off your webcam if you'd like to record yourself while you're doing a video. This is great if you're a manager, just trying to give a quick tutorial of how somebody maybe logs into an email. You could have yourself up here in a sort of circular thing in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You, of course, want to give Camtasia access to your internal microphone or your external microphone, and you get this nice live DB feed. And you might want to give it access to your system audio. This would be particularly relevant if you were recording maybe a video that you had already made and you're just capturing the screen of you watching the video, or if you're trying to record yourself playing some kind of a game, you want Camtasia to capture all the audio from that game. Once you've decided on your own personal settings, you just want to hit the record button. You'll get this nice waiting tab so that you know that it is launching. And now you're recording, as evident by this little film icon up top. And you could easily just stop recording, pause your recording, start your recording over, hide different desktop icons, which is awesome. And now we're gonna go through this like we would a regular demo. So, hey everybody, how's it going? I'm gonna teach you right now how to open a new doc on Google Docs. So first things first, you're gonna go to your web browser, you're gonna go to google.com, you're gonna make sure that you are signed in, and you're going to go to your Google Apps as evident by the 9 little bubbles. Now you wanna go over to Google Docs, you wanna open up Docs. And in order to open a blank document, you just want to hit this nice big plus right there. Once you open it up, now you can see you're in a nice new blank document. You can go about changing your document title here. I could type in Mitchell's Doc. And it's automatically saved to your drive. You have a lot of features up here in the toolbar, a lot of features up here in your tool drop-down menus, and it is just simple as can be. All right, now we want to stop our recording. We could stop our Camtasia recording by going up to that film scroll icon, and now we go to stop recording. And as soon as we've stopped recording, you can see that we're relaunched into that video editing platform, just like we were before. If we let this play out, that it is launching, we can alter our start and end point fairly easily. So maybe I just want to drag this to where I actually start to teach something. Drag this forward. And once I'm happy with that start and end point, yep, right on Safari, going to google.com, awesome. I could just drag this back over to the start of my first track, and my video now looks nice and smooth. Now, if I want to go about addressing my endpoint, right, I obviously don't want to show them me Xing out of my software and then stopping the recording. So I, again, just try to find it. And I want to end it right when my cursor's there, right? Okay, and I just drag it in. Now, as I scrub through, you can see I have this nice, just easy tutorial. But I want to make this even more user-friendly. So I'm sending this out to my team, or maybe I'm sending it to my grandma just to show her how to use Google Docs, right? Now I want to make it so that it's foolproof. So thanks to the annotation capabilities and the cursor animation capabilities in Camtasia, it has never been easier to create a tutorial. So I want to just go over to my cursor effects panel. And now you can see I have all different options when creating a cursor effect. So what I want to do is I actually want to create a highlighting effect when my cursor is on screen. So anytime that you're seeing my cursor on screen, I want it to have this nice yellow bubble. If I want to go about adding this, I just drag it over to my clip and drop it in. Now, as I play through my clip, anytime I move my cursor, you can see that it's accompanied by this nice spotlight looking animation, or this highlighter looking animation. Okay, if I'd like to edit my cursor path, or I'd like to edit my highlight, so I want to change the size, it's a little too big, right? So I want to make it not so that it's distracting, but just so that it's easy to see. I want to drag down my opacity, not so that it's gone, but so that it's there. And I want to adjust the softness of it, bring that down. I could change my highlighter color. And I can even edit just my cursor path in general. I could make it create an entirely new path for it, or just give it a simple existing path. Readjust kind of where it goes. Finish editing. And if I mute this and play it back, my cursor goes there. You can see my nice little highlighter. You can see me go over to Docs. And now you're watching the entire tutorial. Easy as can be. Now, what if I wanted to make this even smoother? One of my favorite features in Camtasia is this. I can actually use the cursor smoothing tool to make all of my natural shaky hand progressions just look all the nicer, right? So now when I go through, it doesn't look so jumpy or jittery. It looks nice and smooth. And thanks to Camtasia, I can easily add animations to my videos, meaning if I want to have my viewer focus their attention or their eyes to a specific part of the screen. Let's say maybe when I'm opening Docs for the first time and I address your attention to that top right corner with the 9 bubbles to access Docs, I want your eyes to go there, right? I can actually add an animation where it slowly scales into it and then scales down from it. So you do this by just heading into Animations. And what you're going to do is you're going to first find the part of the video that you want to scale upward. That's great. You want to grab this and you want to drop that there. And you get this nice start point. And you can just drag this out to sort of scale up to wherever you want. And then you can have it scale back down so that once you've done the thing, it scales down. Playing that back, starts to scale up nice and slowly. Still got my nice highlighter feature. I show them that they got to open Docs. And now that Docs is being opened, it is scaling downward. Camtasia also makes adding annotations to videos just crazy easy. You want to head to your Annotations tab. You want to find the annotation that works best for your style. You want to drag it down, and you just want to plop it where it goes. You can easily adjust its length, its positioning on the video, color, opacity, style. And when you've decided on your text, you could just click on your annotation and start typing. Right? Pro tip, templates are also great. Maybe I want that to pop up right here next to templates, and I'll set it so we come in, and right before I, show them to clip it, I'll move this here. And as soon as I click onto my document and I see it loading, we have it cut out, right? So to play that back, we are scaling down. Once we're in, I address it, my annotation pops up. As soon as I've gone into that document, my annotation now disappears. And now we have a full and complete demo of how to open a blank Google document full of annotations, cursor effects, and animations that focus our audience on certain parts of our screen. And it is high quality and ready to go out to my team. But the ease of use doesn't stop there. Camtasia offers a bunch of different things. They offer the ability to add gesture effects. They offer the ability to add visual effects like colorizing and color tints. They offer the ability to add voice narration, add audio effects like fading in and fading out. You can add different cursor effects and behaviors to your different text. You can easily add transitions between different clips if you're working with multiple. And the fun doesn't stop with training videos. This is a fairly complex system that can be used for any sort of video editing that you might need. For $2.99, Camtasia is a must-buy for any business or for anyone looking to do anything similar that I just showed. So do yourself a favor, grab a copy of Camtasia 2022 and check it out. For now, I'm Mitchell Weinbaum with the Tech Learning Network. Thanks for watching.